Okay, today in this session we will see how to create a cube using a 3D modeling software. Now, you please go through this, right? There will be questions popping up, and you need to answer the properly. Then only you will be moving further. Right? Let's start. So what I will be doing is, right? Ensure that you are in home screen. Right? I need to click on Create Sketch, right? Which is located at the top left side corner. Right, I will be having three faces down here. Now three planes, in other words. The plane which is down here is, we call that as a top plane, right? And we have one at the front, right? Here it is a front plane, and one there which is my side plane. So if you observe your view cube here, what happens is you are having a top here, and you have a front here, and you have a side here. So the same way replicated here. So in other words, right, in order to start your diagram, you need to choose any of these planes. So I will be starting it. So I have selected my top sketch this time. So I have selected the top sketch. Once I selected, automatically it will be coming like your normal paper, right? The paper which you will be writing, right? So here we call this as work area. I'm drawing a rectangle. I'm not bothered about the dimension right now. So I just drawn a rectangle as it is, right? And I will be extruding it. So what I will be doing here, I will be, once I drawn the rectangle, so I will be finishing it. So you need to click on finish sketch. So once the sketch is finished, then I need to click on extrude. So I need to click on extrude, which is located down here. So this is what the extrude tool is. So I need to click on it, and I need to hold the model, and you need to just pull to the top. So this is how the object is been obtained, just pulling to the top, isn't it? So the object is been created. So now if you understand here, we just generated a box. We didn't follow any of the dimensional parameters, right? We didn't done anything much. Now what I will be doing is, this time again I will be drawing the same box, right, but following certain standards, right? This time again I have selected the top sketch, and I'm drawing a 50-50 square. So you please select the dimension and you check, right? I'm changing the dimensions to 50. The same way here I need to select one of the side, right? I need to select that particular side, and it is showing that it is 46 point so and so. So you need to finish, or you need to adjust to 50. So once you are done with 50, then you need to exit the sketch. Then this time again you need to come back and click on extrude, and whichever the object you generated, right, or by sketch, right, you need to just pull the top. Now last time when you done this particular cube, right, when you have done this, right, we didn't followed any of the dimension for this, isn't it? Now but for this, what I have done was, so I have done given 50 here, and I have given 50 here. Now what I will be doing again here is, I will give 50 for this also at this time. So if I need to give that 50-50, so I need to ensure that what the value I'm entering here. So for instance, right now it is 60. You observe what the value I'm changing there. You see, I'm just entering there 50, and the 50-50 cube is been. Now this is what the cube is, right? What happened here is, the length of object from this point to here is 50, and this point to here it is of 50, and we have, so this point to here it is 50. So all the sides we are having equal dimension, so we call this cube, isn't it? So the same way how your view cube is, right, we call that cube, isn't it? View cube. So here, this is your front face, this is your side face, and this is your top face, isn't it? So this is how you will be generating the diagrams, very simple, using this particular 3D model software. Right, I will be giving one more example. This time, instead of drawing with the top sketch, this time what I will be doing is, I will be selecting another plane, which is my front view. So you see, I'm selecting in view cube front view, and I'm just drawing the diagram straight away here. The same diagram again. So I need to click on rectangle and just draw with the proper dimensions. Again, you select the dimension and adjust to 50. The same again 50. right, you need to enter 50 and exit sketch, that is finish sketch. Once you finish of it, then you click on extrude. So the extrude, this time if you observe what happened earlier was you have drawn the diagram like this in top view and you pulled to the top like this. You have done earlier, these two models were like this, isn't it? So you pulled the top now, but this time what you have done was, right, you drawn the sketch towards in front view and you are pulling in that direction or in this direction, whichever the direction which you want, you can do it, right? So for instance, what I am doing right now is I'm pulling toward the direction, right? So you see how the object will be extended. So the object has been extended to 50 to that side, right? This is how the simple cubes needs to be generated using Fusion 360 software.